Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you exactly how to create a broadcast group in WhatsApp in 2025. It is a simple way to send the same messages to many people at once without starting a group chat. So make sure that you watch this video till the very end so that you don't miss any of the important steps. First of all, you need to open your WhatsApp mobile application just like so. Then tap on the three dots in the top right hand corner of the screen. Over here, you will see the third option of new broadcast if you are using your Android device. If you are using your iPhone device, you will see the broadcast list option in the top left hand corner of the screen. So you need to tap on that and select the option of new list. Now, once you tap on it, it will redirect you here on this page where you will see the list of all of the people that you have in your message list. You can add up to 256 contacts in one broadcast list, and minimum two people are needed in order to create that broadcast. So you need to tap on the icon of all those people whom you want to add in your broadcast. Then once you are done, simply tap on this checkmark icon in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. Just make sure that they have your number saved in their contacts, otherwise they won't receive your messages. Once this step is done, your broadcast list now show up like a regular chat. Here you can type the messages and you can send it, and everyone on the list will receive it as a personal message and not in a group. So your broadcast list stays saved, so you can send updates and announcements to the same people anytime without creating the list. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. You can also comment below if you want me to create the tutorial on any other topics. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.